So if you're getting started, okay, with simulating an electric vehicle on Matlab Simulink, then this is the video for you, because we have the simplest electric vehicle system ever just for demonstration purposes. Okay, so I'm not gonna bring a big ugly system right now to scare you with. Okay, so we have a scooter. Okay, so the electric vehicle we have over here is a simple scooter, so it's a two-wheeled vehicle. Okay, this part is the vehicle body, presents the vehicle body, and those two are the tires, the front and the rear tires of the vehicle. The rear tire is directly connected to a DC motor we have over here, and the DC motor is fueled by a very simple DC source. Okay, so it's a very simple system. So let's explain the inner mechanics or the inner dynamics of this system. This letter over here is the H letter. Okay, means the hub of the vehicle. So you need to connect it to the hub, okay, of the wheels, okay, over here. So if you notice that the hub of the wheels and the vehicle are all at one node. Okay, so the vehicle body, okay, is connected, okay, to the wheels through this connection. Now, one more thing you need to identify for the system to work is the rear and front normal forces, okay, of the vehicle. So the rear normal force of the vehicle is based on the rear tire over here throughout this connection, and the front normal force of it is connected to the front tire over here. Okay, now one more thing. Okay, in the system we have the DC motor directly connected to the rear tire. Okay, so the rotor of the motor is connected to this part of the tire. Now, don't forget, there is one more important thing. You need to connect the other side, okay, the side on which the motor is fixed. You need to connect it to this reference, okay, over here. Now, don't also forget to connect the voltage source to a reference, and also connect the solver configuration over here. Okay, or so the solver over here. Okay, now this connection over here is an output. It's the velocity of the vehicle, so you can have it directly, okay, connected to a scoop, but you need a link in between. I don't know what its name, it's a PS converter or something like that. Okay, if you connect it directly, it is not going to work. Now, for more complicated systems, it's also available all over YouTube. You can connect the motor to a gear, and then the gear you can connect it to the tires. Okay, so you can add this one if you need, and you also can connect a more complicated, okay, DC source, like connecting a PID controller, okay, or they call it a driver, okay, in this space. Okay, and you can give a certain velocity profile for that driver, and it will increase and decrease the voltage to match, okay, that velocity, okay, profile. Okay, so that was a simple overview for the very beginners at the electric vehicle simulation. It's very simple. Good luck.